The Tax Cuts and Jobs Act would count tuition waivers as income and tax the amount. Video provided by Newsy News. Look. Vanderbilt University graduate student Adam Gottlieb, 25, at his house on Friday, December 8, 2017, in Nashville. 10. Gottlieb is concerned that tax bill will raise the cost to attend graduate school. Photo, Mark Zaleski / for the Tennessean, by photo. Depending on which Tennessean you ask, the Republican tax bills passing through Congress could be a godsend for economic prosperity, or they stand to harm the nation's trajectory and further deepen its income divide. Here's how a Nashville graduate student sees it. Adam Gottlieb, a Vanderbilt University master's student in education policy, wants to get a PhD. This bill would make that impossible, he said. Gottlieb is eyeing the House version of the federal tax plan and its impact on graduate students' tuition waivers, free or reduced tuition based on work done for a school in research or teaching. By far, the taxes proposed to be levied against tuition waivers are the most significant to higher education students, according to national experts. How the GOP tax bill could impact a middle-class family, a public school teacher, a small business owner. The waiver works by a university covering a portion of the cost to educate a student for research or teaching done at the university. The university will pay a stipend to the student, taxable, as well as cover tuition that in the past has been untaxed. The House tax plan calculates the tuition, placing students into a higher tax bracket, said Christopher Marcicano, a Vanderbilt PhD candidate with a focus on higher education, politics, and policy. It's not like it is free money and someone waves a magic wand and it disappears, Marciano said. Up until now that wasn't considered taxable. It was exempt. David Butler, Middle Tennessee State University Dean of Graduate Studies, said all eyes are on what Congress decides with the tax plan because of how it may deter students from getting advanced degrees. More, here's why college students could pay more in the Republican tax bill. Everyone is waiting with bated breath on whether this tax provision is included or excluded, Butler said. Butler said it has a possible severe impact on the health of the region's economy. It might deter many students from pursuing advanced degrees, such as Gottlieb. And there is a need for workers with master's and doctorate degrees in Middle Tennessee, Butler said. Over 1,000 more workers a year with advanced degrees will be needed by 2020 in the region, he said. Those workers make higher wages and have valuable skills to companies, he said. Our concern is we provide a majority of the workforce for Middle Tennessee, and we don't want the economy, which the university is participating in a dynamic way, to be harmed by a piece of the bill, Butler said. Poll, Tennesseans disapprove of tax plan, fear changes won't help middle class. Gottlieb said he is in a tough position. His education is already expensive and is looking even more expensive. For him, it may not be worth the cost.